Hi, morning to all.
Hi, good morning.
Hi,
Good
morning,
from
morning.
Malaysia.
Right, so I think school holiday has started in Malaysia this week. So many of
This
us
week,
are.
this is the first week.
I think this is the
Next,
first week.
I thought it's next week.
No,
Already?
this week. This week.
This week.
That's why a lot of our staff also on leave.
Yeah, Idris also on holiday.
Yeah,
Yeah.
quite a
Idris
number
is
lah.
nowhere to be seen this week.
He's in the other side of Malaysia. The other side.
Right.
For this week, first stuff.
So we have talked about new product. So what's the first?
Okay, first product for today is the Intel RealSense.
RealSense. Sorry, the other way. Okay. So this is what we call a depth send. Depth send. Oh, I have.
Wait, I just changed the screen. It's not coming. Wait. Okay.
Let me just close my WhatsApp notify me, else you'll be very noisy. Ding dong dong. So this is the RealSense. I cannot open it because it's sealed, so we don't open our product. So just to let you guys know, okay. But we can take a look at the product page. Let's go back to the product page.
Okay.
This is what we call an AI camera lah. Okay, but the name, the famous name is actually RealSense. Okay, RealSense. So it comes with I think 3 parts. One is the camera itself. This is from Intel, very quality product. Then on the camera itself, it has the AI features already. Okay, a lot of you can actually integrate with Jetson. You can also integrate with Raspberry Pi. Okay, so inside the box you have the camera itself, of course. Then there's a tripod, and there's a USB Type-C cable. Okay, so we advise you to use USB 3.0 or above lah for the connection, so you can get the speed out of this camera. Okay, so that's the RealSense. I think we have discount right now, 10%.
Yes. 10%. Yeah, we have 10% discount. Yes.
Okay. So the original price, I think, is 2,350.
2,350. Yes.
So now after discount, it's 2,000. What discount a lot?
Discount 200 plus.
Wow, that's a very attractive. And we have 2 units left.
What's so special about this camera?
I guess it can actually get the distance,
Yep.
If I'm not mistaken, distance, and of course the camera function of it, the color, and then the 6 degree of freedom.
Yeah. Movement and rotation.
It can move.
It can detect movement. It can detect. So let's say you shake it or you move it, you know. Okay, IMU is the initial measurement unit.
Okay. I think they come with the gyroscope also to detect the rotation.
Yeah,
they have
inside
the integrated.
Yeah. Normally 6 degree include the accelerometer and also gyro.
Gyroscope.
So if you have 9 degree, then we include another sensor, which is magnetometer. So with magnetometer, you know the direction relative to our North Pole, South Pole. Okay.
Okay. Actually, we have some question from Intel. I mean, I think we already answered actually.
Intel yeah. So AI lah, it's AI lah. More to AI. Yeah. So you can combine with, of course, computer, Jetson Nano, Jetson series, then also Raspberry Pi. I think we will get more project into this product page so that everyone can refer to the interesting project using this.
Yeah. We have one more question. Can I use SLAM application and robotic
application? Yes, you can use. And of course, the robotic arm depend on you. What's the controller? if you have industry PC, you can use, actually you can use with USB 2.0, but the speed is not there lah. So it's like wasted lah. Okay, so that's why we advise you to get the
3.0.
PC that have 3.0 USB 3.0. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So that's about the
It's very interesting.
first product for today. Okay, so let's move to the next product, which is the
range.
Range.
So this is cross
me-
range. So I have here quite small.
Okay.
It's quite small. So that there's is a socket lah. Oh, it's a socket. So for us to put, this kind of nuts. So this is basically a copper PCB stand. Oh, can see
Copper
PCB stand. And this is M3. So this range, you have four size, 2.5 mm. Normally we name it as M2.5. M3 is M3. So this
3
is
mm.
M3, 3 mm. Yes. Okay, 3 mm. The diameter for the boat, it's not actually 3 mm for this. The boat, the hole.
It's the inside.
Yeah, the hole. So this is one of it. So you can use it. Of course, this is the PCB stand, and you can also use with nuts. So actually, you can hold nut but I don't want to put inside, and then later it's stuck inside there with the nuts. Okay, so there's four size. You have four different side. So it support M2.5. M2.5 normally is used for Raspberry Pi. Okay, Raspberry Pi, because Raspberry Pi, the mounting hole is actually 2.5 in diameter. So the normal PCB stand, the M3, you can still fit it. I saw a lot of people go and fit it, but they need to, by force.
By force.
By force.
Okay.
So actually the proper hole size or the boat size for Raspberry Pi mounting hole is actually M2.5. So this support M2.5, one on the side. The other side is M3. So the one that I'm holding is actually M3. That's why I can fit. Okay. Then you have M4, the longer side. Then M5, the biggest. Okay. So get this.
But this one can be used for the 3D printer, so right, over the nozzle.
Yeah, 3D printer depend because 3D printer normally the other side of the boat is on the profile. Normally it's they what they call it, they tap the profile, so they have the boat only. The part that we screw in the boat.
Yes.
So the boat directly screw inside the aluminium profile. So
but for the nozzle we can
nozzle,
use.
Yes.
Nozzle
is M5.
M5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nozzle is M5. And some nozzle is I think M5 and M4 lah. M4. Yeah, M5 and M4. So I think it's good for nozzle because nozzle is very hot.
Very hot, yeah. If you're using either like plier or anything, it's difficult.
There is a smaller wrench in the 3D printer included, but it's at the side, It's like this. The side. So it cannot hold. You cannot hold it. So for example, when you want to take it off, you unscrew, then you fall down. But with this, you can hold it. Yeah.
On top.
Yeah. So this is the wrench. I think I think we have discount for this, right?
Oh yes, we have 21% off for this.
What's the price now? Let's look at the page.
Okay.
Let's look at the page. Okay. Oh, 4 ringgit, 10 sen. 4 ringgit and 10 sen. Okay. Yeah.
So the
original
price
someone is
5
asking
ringgit.
20 cents.
Yeah. 5 ringgit 20 cents. We have 21% off now, so you can get it 4 ringgit 10 cents. And the discount will last for 4 more days. Okay.
So we have 27 in our stock now. So try to grab it before it's gone.
I think it's quite useful. I want to get one because
I think
we don't normally change the nozzle, but I use a lot of PCB stand. For Arduino.
last time I use the like one you mentioned, the spanner to the one come with the kit, right? It's quite not very friendly to change. Usually I will my finger will get hot or what. I think with this I think will be very useful.
You might get burned.
Oh my god. Yes.
How much is this in dollar?
Sorry?
How much is this in dollar?
Oh, this is $1 plus.
$1.
$1 plus, maybe. Plus one. Okay, so that's the range.
That's the range. Okay, so let's
It's
move
quite
to
useful,
the
right? Because you have 4 size.
Yeah.
You just buy one, you can use
Buy
it
one.
for 4 size.
Yeah.
4 in 1.
Yep.
Fine. Okay.
I
Right.
got
So
question.
okay. This one they're asking for the link. Dekat Facebook
Can
pun
go
ada.
to Cytron page.
Cytron page.
Facebook.
You just search Cytron Technologies. Yeah, easy, I think. If we paste, we also go there and paste for you. We'll go there and then copy and paste for you.
Okay, so let's move to the next product, which is the
camera.
It's camera for Jetson. 8 megapixel.
Customer has been asking about this product. I mean, for camera dedicated for the
Jetson. For Jetson.
Just for Jetson, yeah.
They have two different cameras.
I thought Idris is on leave.
Hello. Hello from the other side.
The other side of Malaysia.
Oh, back to this side already, yeah.
Maybe.
They just missed to join us. Want to join us today.
So this camera is specifically built for Jetson Nano, so it can be used with tested with Jetson B01 and also 2GB. Can work very well. There's two different angle of view. Angle of view. This one is 77 degree and this one is 160. This one, the camera, both our cameras come with camera module and also the FFC ribbon cable for Jetson. So need to be connected to CSI port lah.
Yeah, and the mounting hole is compatible with the bracket.
With the camera bracket, acrylic camera bracket. And the camera bracket is compatible with our acrylic case for Jetson.
Yeah. Actually, we have one question here. This one cannot use in Raspberry Pi, right?
We haven't tested before, right?
Yeah, haven't tested with Raspberry Pi, but we can test it later.
Yeah. We can verify that.
Yeah, we can verify.
So you're looking for what? For Raspberry Pi camera with 160 degree of
field of view.
Yeah. Viewing angle. Okay, can. We'll try to get it also. Yeah, no problem there.
Oh, so also this one, it comes with cap. Lens cap.
This one can adjust the lens or not?
Can. Can adjust.
Okay.
Cannot see.
Yeah, cannot see.
Can turn it around.
This
and
is
adjust the focus.
Yeah, focus.
Now
you can see the thread lah. At least you can see the thread, right?
Can treat.
But the smaller one just now,
the smaller one cannot.
77 degree, right? That one
77 degree. It is
very difficult. Yeah.
So you can get this for your Jetson projects. We can look at the product page to see the differences of the image captured.
Okay, so this is the 77 degree.
Yep, like a normal camera, and the 160 is like a wide angle camera.
Wow, this is nice,
160 degree.
Yeah. You can get a very good idea on the viewing angle. Very nice. So what's the price? Oh, the accessory. Sorry.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
The accessory is good. The bracket. Yeah.
Yep.
So it's compatible with the mounting hole. The mounting hole is quite
Compatible with
important.
the mounting hole.
Yep.
And the bracket is also compatible with Jetson, Xavier, and X acrylic case.
Right.
So you need not you don't no need to worry about the mounting lah.
Mounting.
Yeah.
You can just put it on camera on the case.
Yeah. This is nice.
Right. So there's video also, like when you're interested to know more about this, can watch the video. So on the installation, basically camera installation.
So far we have tested on Jetson Nano only lah.
Yep.
So I
Haven't
don't think.
tested on NX.
Yeah. I don't think is because it's specifically designed for Jetson series lah. Jetson series. Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Good.
Okay. So the price for this actually, okay, for the 160 degree,
20% discount.
Yeah, the original price is 130 ringgit. So after 20% off is 104 ringgit.
26 ringgit off.
Yeah, 26 ringgit off. And we have 7 more days before the offer ends. And currently we have 18 in stocks. And next, for the 77 degree is the original price is 99 ringgit. We have 20% off as well. So the price is 79 ringgit and 20 cents. And we have 18 in stocks, and the offer will end in 7 days. Then there's comment in one of the viewer, why the discount? So actually for new product, we always never fail to give a discount usually, all the new products.
For 2 weeks for each product.
Yeah. So need to grab it before the offer ends.
Except for Raspberry Pi product lah. I need to highlight.
You can always go to our website and click the new arrival to check if there's any new products.
Okay, so that's
Next.
about the third product. For the fourth product, we have the Groove gas sensor. Gas sensor. Okay, this is from Stitch Studio, and actually I have with me. Let me share with you. Okay. Right. So this is the sensor basically. Let me zoom a bit. All right. Okay. So this one is the board, the gas sensor board actually. So this one it can be replaced actually if you want to change the the sensor itself, which is the sensor. And also it comes with the adjustable potentiometer to adjust the sensitivity level, and also this comes with the groove, which is always more convenient to install to the groove board. I mean, for the installation, you don't need to do any jumper. Basically, you just need to plug in to the
on the groove shield.
Groove shield,
is
yeah.
it?
Yes, it's the groove shield actually. So I already put it here.
We call it groove base shield.
Groove base shield. We have groove shield also in our store, so you can grab this one as well. Let me zoom.
That one is groove shield V2, right?
Base shield. Groove base shield. Yep. I cannot remember. Is there a version or not?
Later you can see as well. Okay, so this one is using the analog. As you can see in the signal, it is mentioned SIG only. So it's not I2C or not the I2C type lah. It's a normal analog type sensor. Actually, we have some
using
question.
Maker, is it?
Yes, I'm using the Maker Uno base as a base. Okay, using the Maker Uno. So it's very convenient for me to install the base, the shield, groove base shield, and then just plug it in. For this, I'm just demoing the plug-in only because I don't have the gas to test the sensor actually.
You can
Right.
test the oxygen in the atmosphere.
The one we can test with the other one. We have another interesting sensor to be shown. Okay, so nak tanya, ni memang this one memang compatible lah dengan Maker Uno.
Yeah, you need to add the groove lah.
Groove.
That's all.
Actually Afiq he's following from the live actually Tuesday punya live, the Jom Ber-Arduino punya session. I think that one I highlighted using the Maker Uno. So I think that's why the question is coming from lah. And also another question from Afiq as well. Shield upper too. This one is the groove shield lah. Maybe later
can show the product page.
Later. Later just show the product page.
Yeah. Later we can show the product page.
Okay. So next, okay, let's move to the product. Oops. Sorry. Okay, let me change the screen. Okay. So this is the gas sensor MQ9, and this is for gas leakage detection in home and industry. It can detect the carbon monoxide, coal gas, liquefied, and so on. Okay, so just now we have seen this one using the analog AO, and this one is the potentiometer. This one to change the sensitivity level of the sensor. Okay, actually, Afiq is asking for the link product untuk shield. Maybe I just share very quickly the group punya.
You can show how to search. Just I think if I'm not mistaken, it's base DASE. Then shield and see. Proof.
It's already there.
Base shield.
B2.
Yeah. So this is the actually stock actually. So but I think we will try to bring it in stock as soon as possible.
This is one of the very popular shield also, because it's quite affordable lah. 39, it's less than 40, and it's very convenient. I just stack on any Arduino Uno compatible board, then you can connect to groove module easily. So it's very convenient. Yeah.
So again, for Afiq, I think he can always click the notify me button. So once it's in stock, then you will be notified once the item is in stock.
Yeah.
Right, so let's go back to the product. Okay, I think. Okay, this one. These are the specification of the sensor actually. It works in 4.9. Typical is 5 volt basically, and also the load resistance is adjustable. This is the one for the sensitivity level we were using. And okay, that's about that. So you will get if you are buying the sensor, you'll get the sensor with the groove cable as well together. And for the resources, you can always go to the bottom of the page. You have the some guides on the type of the gas sensor you want to choose, and to know more about the detail of the product. Okay, currently the price for the product is the actual price for the product is 45 ringgit. And then we have
20% discount.
Yes.
Again.
So you can grab this at 36 ringgit. And we have 11 more days before the offer ends, and we have 9 in stock. There's some more comment. Saya ada satu shield namanya Papan. Oh, this one not
output.
Sure. Output.
Input output.
Sure.
Which one?
Tak sure they're referring to which board.
Yeah.
Shield, input output.
Input output shield, I think, maybe. I'm not sure. There's a lot of products.
The shield a lot, a lot of shield.
A lot of shield.
Shield.
Normally is for Arduino Uno size. Uno size. There is shield for Mega, but Mega is not as popular as Uno.
Not as common.
Yep, not as common also. So a lot of shield is actually for Arduino Uno size. That size.
Okay. So that's about the Groove gas sensor MQ9. So you can grab it with the offer price. So let's move to the next product. This one is quite interesting. It is the Groove 0.54-inch red dual alphanumeric display. So actually I have this product with me as well. So let me, all right. Okay. So this is the actual product. This one is the dual display actually. There are some other variation also, like the 4 and this one. So this one is the dual one, and this one is controlled by the I2C signal. Let me zoom a bit. You can see here it's I2C. I can see here basically you have the SCL, SDA, VCC, and the ground. So still it's easily pluggable with the base Groove base shield. Okay, for this I will just make a demo on this. Wait, so you have, like in the Groove you have four I2C now. You can plug it any port you want to plug it. So this one, for this I'm just running the one of the demo code provided. Let me run the code.
No, the hardware connection is quite straightforward with Groove. You just choose the port, then you connect it. So for example here, just use the I2C port. Then it's dummy proof also. There's a polarity, so you not flip the connector.
So you can't go wrong with the Groove actually.
Yeah. Yep. The worst case is you connect to wrong port of, let's say now it's I2C, you connect to digital, or you connect to analog port. Yeah. Yep.
So let me run the sample code.
This is what's the name? Alphanumeric.
Alphanumeric.
Okay. So it's not 7 segment.
Both.
It's not 7 segment.
It's 14 segment.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just trying to burn the code. But this one, good thing that this alphanumeric, you can display the alphabetical because in 7 segment is we can display the not all the alphabet just the normal one.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one is, I think it's not so clear.
Too bright.
Too bright.
Yeah.
Maybe I should.
Yeah, it's okay lah. Camera, right? Yeah.
Can see.
So it's,
I think
now it's like displaying the numbers.
Numbers.
This
is can display characters, right?
Yep. Can. You must control the segment, 14 segment, and I think the IC back there have the control already.
Yes. This one they're using the HTK. Let's go to the product page.
So you can display not only numbers lah.
You display the alphabet as well. The alphabet as well. So okay. So I think the controller they are using they're using the HT16K33. HT
HT16K33.
Yeah, for the chip. They're using this one. As mentioned, like Atira, this one is a 14 segment display lah.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so basically this side, they are the script on the pinout, and also if you want to choose a different I2C, also is the option is available. So by default, the address is 070 0 times 70.
Hexadecimal 70. 770. Yep.
And if you're using, you can change to 77 if you want to make it
77.
for others channel 77. Okay, this one can operate in 2 voltage, 3.3 volt and as well as 5 volt. So you have 2 options. And this is a 0.54 inch display, and it's a I2C address selectable. So this okay, that's about the product. And also for resources, you can always come here. At the bottom of the page, you have the detail of the product, and also if you want to know the schematic and also sample code, you can always come to the resources part here, and you can grab it there, the resources. And the price for the product is 33 ringgit, and currently we are giving 20% off, which brings down the price to 26 ringgit and 40 cents. Yeah. And we have 12 more days before the offer ends, and we have 9 units available.
9 units left.
9 units left. All right. So that's
also
about
it comes with groove cable, so you won't have to worry for not having groove cable.
Yeah.
So come with the groove cable. Okay, so that's about the groove red dual alphanumeric display. So this is a single color basically. It's a single color. It's a red color. Right. So let's move to the next product. Okay, this is the groove oxygen sensor. So I have the product also with me. So later I'll share the window. Okay, let's walk through the sensor. So this sensor is to test the oxygen concentration in the air. So basically use the electrochemical cell to the original work. And okay, the sensor, this does not
does not represent the exact gas concentration in the air.
Yeah. So I mean, they mention also it usually requires a more precise and costly instrument. Okay, with a single gas sensor. Basically, but we can use for for projects. It's very useful. I mean, people want to install to measure the gas oxygen.
Yeah. So it's like indicator right?
Indicator,
so it doesn't give you the scientific kind of measurement.
Yeah.
But it can be an indicator, early indicator, so you can deploy it to quite a lot of places lower cost, easy to use.
Like in some in confined space, right? Usually in confined space, we can use this type of sensor.
Yeah. We monitor oxygen level or CO2 level. CO2 level high means it's not good. Then same oxygen level low means no good also.
Not good also.
Okay, so this
and
comes
it's
with
it's groove compatible, right?
It's groove compatible.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, let me share the product with you. Okay, so this is the sensor actually, the actual sensor. It's mentioned here. Let me zoom a bit. Actually, we have few. I missed few questions. I think this is for the sensor just now, the question. Apa fungsi product ni? I think just now this one is for the gas is for the MQ9 is for the gas leakage yang tu. And then the alphanumeric is for the something like the 7 segment. But then there are more number of segments. It says 14 segments.
Yeah.
And also near the water lampu. This is for the
LED.
The segment just now the segment. Yeah.
Segment, yes.
Yeah.
And this one.
Oh, okay, good. You have a YouTube channel.
STEM 4.0 sama Afiq.
How old are you, Afiq? Secondary school, primary school?
bagi tahu tentang barang yang beli kat mana? Beli kat Cytron lah.
Betul.
Mana-mana je lah. Any place. It's good. Keep it up.
He reply back, hi.
Can collaborate with Cytron.
Yeah.
Soon or later.
Good.
Okay, so
12
balik
years
pada
old.
Oh,
Yep.
12 years.
12 years old.
12 years old.
Yeah, for those English reader viewer, that's 12 years old.
Alright. Okay. So untuk yang sensor ni, for the sensor, see, I need this a bit.
Oh, it's quite big,
Oh, it's quite big. The sensor is quite big.
Yeah.
Well, it's very bright.
I think because of the light here.
Yeah, lighting it's okay. I think we can still see it.
Alright, sorry. Okay, so this is the sensor. And one thing, this one is you can unplug the sensor actually.
Okay.
So if there's any other like compatible sensor, if the sensor goes wrong, so you can always replace the sensor itself lah. And you can the one is quite easy. They make it easy now. If you see here, the connection is on the two part. The another one is just for the like reference. The black one is just for the reference.
Position actually for position.
It's not connected to anywhere. So it's
position and also polarity polarity.
Yeah, it's for polarity. So you can easily plug in. It's not very difficult. So you can easily plug in.
Yeah.
Actually, I would like to do a demo also for this, and still we are using the same groove and the Mecha Uno as the base. So this one also, the signal is not a I2C or the other connection. It's a normal analog signal. So we'll use the AO signal. So, but this one, actually, I just make some reading, but usually it takes some time, because
you need to heat up.
You need to heat up. But just to show you the readings, let me get the code and start running. Okay, this one I'm just like running the sample code. Okay.
You can share your screen to see the results.
Is it? So concentration is, I mean, it will take around I think few minutes before the readings become. But from the reading I mentioned, like the reading goes below 19 or something. The concentration is not good. Just from just a quick reading.
Something like our, the oximeter. The oximeter we use.
Oh yeah, oximeter. Yes.
That one is below 95%. Then it's not good.
That one, how does it detect?
No, actually there's an infrared there. Then I don't know the algorithm, but it's actually detecting the reflection of the infrared, and it has something to do with our vein, inside our vein, the blood oxygen level. Yeah.
Actually, we have some
okay.
So boleh cabut. Actually yes, boleh. Yang sensor tu boleh. So maybe macam after not using it or you want to keep it somewhere, you can always take out the sensor.
Ataupun nak replace.
Ataupun nak replace. There's another comment. 12-year-old still.
Boleh replace with other type of sensor or not?
Other than sensor, but this one behind here it's mentioned for oxygen but I think kalau here it's mentioned for the oxygen behind here. But maybe
oxygen
if the pin are compatible, maybe can
Yeah. Mungkin kena check kan.
Mungkin kena check the one. Kalau ada IC yang with the same type of pin configuration atau pin arrangement, maybe boleh lah. Boleh tukar. Maybe they need to look into it lah. And also I have Lego, but I don't play always. Okay.
12 years old. What did I do? 12 years old.
I didn't.
Lepak. Now
think
is
mine,
very fortunate lah. Now is very fortunate. You can have access to a lot of different kind of things. It's not only stamp. Now we are talking about stamp digital making, but not only that lah, right? But our time there's nothing to access.
yeah. The exposure is
Right.
very minimal.
Yeah, exposure lah. Yeah.
Now it's
Even
like
my time also, 12 years old, I don't even know what's Arduino.
Definitely. Arduino is not there yet. And you're 12 years old.
In secondary school, also don't know what's Arduino.
Yeah. Okay.
But it's very good lah for you to try and learn Arduino.
Yeah.
Keep doing it.
Yeah, keep doing it.
Okay, for the resources, you can always come here. For the bottom of the page, you have the wiki page, whereby you can know more about the sensor and all the stuff, and also for the sample code and the schematic as well. And okay, the price, this one is quite expensive because it's the oxygen sensor. Because I think most of the gas sensor, they are quite expensive because they are measuring and they are most like a crucial sensor, right? So it is a bit expensive. So the actual price is 249 ringgit.
49.
Yeah, and currently we are having 15% off for the product, and you can grab this at 211 ringgit and 65 cents.
65 cents.
So it's almost
12
like
days left.
12 days left, right? And only we have 2 units in the available at the moment, so you can grab it while it's in stock.
While stock lasts.
While stock lasts, yeah.
Yeah.
While stock lasts. Okay, I think Atira wants to share with us something.
Teaser.
Okay.
Ooh.
Teaser.
Teaser.
We posted this in
You posted
our
what? You posted the footprint, I think.
footprint only of the dino in the Instagram, I think.
So
or Facebook. I don't remember.
when are we launching this?
We are launching this tomorrow.
Okay.
There are six kits to grab. So stay tuned lah tomorrow.
So make sure don't miss it.
Don't miss it.
Follow our Facebook lah. Right.
What's in the box? Still a mystery.
Okay. Yeah. So to unreveal it, so you need to follow us tomorrow.
Yeah, you need to follow
tomorrow
to get to know.
Yep.
Okay.
So I think
any more questions? Yeah, any more question?
Oh, esok ada lagi. Esok tu lain.
Launching.
Esok launching only.
Yeah, we just enable the product page. Then you guys can go and take a look.
Yep.
Okay.
So I don't have any more life.
Right, I think we have come to an end to our session today, the new product. So stay tuned for the 2 weeks from now for the next live product session. Also, since it's a holiday, so everyone, I think, going on vacation. So just be safe. So we are still
be safe. Take care.
We take care of ourselves and our family. So
Yeah.
just be safe lah, and always follow the SOPs.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Thank you, and see you.
All right. See you next 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Yeah. Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.